Hi there, today we're going to show you the best way to save, manage, and share your web links. If you're watching this video, you're likely familiar with Pinterest, Pocket, and other bookmark managers. They're all helpful tools for helping you save web links. Unfortunately though, these existing methods aren't a complete bookmark manager solution. Take a couple moments and think about your favorite bookmark manager and ask yourself, can they do the following? When you save a web link, can you edit the title and description to add your own voice? Can you customize the image of your saved web link? Can you access smart filters and tags that allow you to search across your web links faster? Do you have a custom inbuilt RSS feed reader for quicker saving? Can you create various collections from your web links? Can you share your web link collections as an email newsletter? Can you share your web link collections on your website or blog? Can you share your web link collections as a single page that is private or SEO friendly? If you said no to any of these items, I recommend that you continue watching this video and prepare to be blown away. Today I'm going to introduce you to Elink.io. It's an amazing bookmark manager tool that can do all of the following and more in a single application. Basically, anything you need to do with links can be done inside of Elink. Yes, that means that you can save web links from your Chrome extension and RSS feed reader. You can access those links and filter them anytime from your link library. And when you're ready, you can bundle them to share them as an email newsletter, single web page, or content for your website or blog. The best part is that your web link collection will look like it's taken hours to create, but between you and I, it'll take you minutes. Let's dive in. First, you're going to want to go to Elink.io and create an account. Once you're inside, click on the Library tab above. This is your link library where you can add all kinds of web links from articles, videos, social media posts, cloud files, and much more. There are two different ways to add links. The first way is by clicking on this Add Links button. You'll see a pop-up open where you can paste your link. If you want to add multiple links, just hit enter and add one link per line item. Once you're done adding the links, just press save, and the system will automatically add those links into your library in a visual format. The second way you can add links to your link library is through Elink's Chrome extension. Elink's Chrome extension is really robust as it allows you to save content while you're browsing the internet. Once you've downloaded Elink's Chrome extension, go to the web content you want to add and press the Elink icon. First, select the image that best represents your content or take a screenshot. You can also click on Crop Image to show the images in their entirety. Next, you can click on the Edit pencil if you'd like to upload your own image, edit the title text, description, or add tags for fast search. When you're done saving, you can click on the library icon to go to your link library, where you will see your recently saved content. You can see that your newly saved information shows up here. Elink Smart Search allows you to search across multiple words and find what you're looking for in seconds. There are various filter options for even advanced search. You can also click on the pencil icon for each link in your link library if you want to edit it more and make it more personal. By now, you've likely noticed that there's a checkmark box on the top left corner of every web link. When you need to create and share content around any topic, you can search or filter by a tag. Then start clicking the checkmark boxes to bundle your web links. Once you've bundled your web links, click on Build Post. You'll see that your articles display in a beautiful tile layout. The best part is that you can click the edit pencil and update the image, the title, and description of each web link. It's a great way to add your own voice and personalize the content for your audience. If you'd like to change the order of your visual web links, click on this drag icon and rearrange your tiles. You can continue adding additional web links either manually by pasting the web link here, or you can add additional web links from your link library or RSS feed reader. Once you're done perfecting your web links, click on the header section. Add a beautiful header banner, introductory text, and ending text. Next, select the Layout tab. Wow your audience by choosing from over 30 plus beautiful responsive layouts to make your content look amazing. The best part is that you can come back at any time to update your layout, even after it's been published. Imagine all the time that you can save. Next, click on the Settings tab. Here you can personalize the look and feel of your content to make it stand out by selecting from colors, fonts, and button text. You can make it private or SEO friendly depending on who the content is for. Once you're done, simply hit Publish. Elink.io saves you valuable time by creating fast content and making it easy to share across your favorite communication mediums, whether it's with your followers, your teams, clients, partners, students, and more. Here are the various ways you can share your collection of web links. You can share it as a fully responsive email newsletter across nearly any third-party email provider. This includes Gmail, MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and many more. You can also share it as a single web page instead of sharing those messy, non-important looking URLs. You can also embed your post on nearly any website or blog for quick published content. If you want to learn more on how you can send your e-link via your email provider or embed it on your website or blog, watch our other videos. Let's go ahead and open it up as a single web page so you can see what it looks like. There are many times that you need to maintain or update your content. If you ever need to edit these web links or add additional web links to your published content, you can do it in the following ways. First, you want to go ahead and locate your published post in the post section of your e-link and click on the pencil icon. Here, you can start adding and editing your web links. Once you're done, click Save. Let's go ahead and refresh our web page and you'll see the updates were made in real time. You can also add content to your published posts from the Chrome extension. Let's go ahead and save this web link. When you're done making it perfect, click Add to Post. Next, you're going to want to find your published post. Click the plus icon next to it, and then click on Finish. Again, let's refresh our page and you'll see that the updates were reflected instantly. This is a wonderful way to keep your single web pages or content that's embedded on your website or blog up to date. Elink is the one place to save, manage, and share your web links with your world. Elink's being used widely by influencers, businesses, marketers, and educators. Come join bookmarking and content creation enthusiasts and start creating beautiful content from your web link in minutes. Head to Elink.io today.